looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure what's saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try anything, so I'ma just keep trying everything.
She is a graduate master in education of Mindanao State University, General Science and currently taking doctorate in education in Mindanao State University, General Science and 8 years of service as academic director.
You're only young one, yeah that's all great. But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, sleeping with no shit. Wait no, sleeping in the sun. It's okay. But I just want to be happy. How to get there? I'm glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But trying to do what you love when it's said and done. There's so many differences in each of us. Just to show you
But
what
I
you
want
want.
you to remember that this is not the end but the beginning of a new chapter. Ang mga kasanayan at kalaman na inyong natamo, ang inyong natamo dito ay ang inyong mga sandata para sa isang mas maliwanag na hinahanap. Whether you are starting a new career, enhancing your current one, or pursuing further opportunities, you must recognize that you have the foundation to succeed. As you move forward, tandaan sa inyo na ang inyong tagumpay ay hindi lamang para sa sarili, kundi para rin sa iyong mga pamilya, kaibigan at komunidad. You are now equipped with the skills and knowledge to make a difference in your chosen field. Ang bawat takbang na inyong gagawin ay magbibigay ng inspirasyon sa iba at maaaring mga makapagsimula ng positibong pagbabago. Take pride in your accomplishments and continue to strive for excellence. Patuloy kayong magsikap at huwag matakot harapin ang mga bagong hamon. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and remain committed to learning and growth. Ang inyong pagsisikap at dedikasyon ay magdala sa inyo dito at ito rin ang mag-aakay sa inyo tungo sa rulog ng tagumpay. Always remember the values and lessons you have learned during your training here at Tunisia Foundation College and also sa TESDA. Ang integridad, sipag at syaga ay mga babaeng magpapatibay sa inyo sa lahat ng aspeto ng inyong buhay. As you apply your skills and knowledge, be mindful of the impact you can make on others. Use your talents to uplift and support your community and strengthen the teachers of positive changes.
Well, I just want to be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. We try to do what you love when it's said and done. There's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, let me show you what you want.
Magbigay ng inspirasyon sa iba. Maraming salamat at mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you so much, Mom and May. And now it is time to express.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.